Alright, hey guys and welcome back to a new video once in a while. Today we'll be looking at some really awesome tech that's been sent out to me by Synology to test for 4 weeks, and that is the DS918 Plus. So this is a really awesome NAS and disk hard drive station, and I'll be taking a look at this drive in a more creative and design workflow and how that integrates, because I haven't really found a lot of tutorials or videos about that. So I thought I might give it a shot, and yeah, stay tuned. So we're making videos again. Alright, so let's get right into it. So this is the box it came in. It's a very sleek and simple box, I would say. It looks quite nice. Here's the side, here's the back, the other side, and the front again. So here we just have like a few specifications of the device, but I actually can't wait, so let's just get right into this. So it's definitely very well packaged, and the first thing out of the box we have here is the power cord, just a standard style power cord. Okay, next up, what we have here is a little box, so I'll take a look at that in detail. Just some padding. And here it is. Whoa, it's actually way smaller than I expected it to be. Okay, and that's it. So this is the NAS, power cord, and it comes with this little box. So Synology said to me to send it with two M2 SSDs. So I'm curious if they're already pre-installed or we have to do this ourselves. So here we have a little installation guide, which would be definitely useful for later. Okay, here we go. So here are the two SSDs, the M2s. What have they sent to me? These are Kingston 120 gigabytes times 2. So we've got two M2 SSDs. Alright, this looks like the power supply. So my thought was that this would just connect to the NAS, but it has an external power supply. And here we've got two Cat 5e Ethernet cables. And some little plastic keys. I am not sure what these are for. And lots of screws. I presume these are for mounting the hard drives. Alright, let's get right into the NAS, because this is what we haven't even looked at yet. So what's the best way to open this? Definitely very well packaged. Alright, this is going to be really cool. And here it is. Oh, okay, I already got it perfectly in the frame for the camera. So let's have a look. Okay, so at the front we have our four hard drive bays. We've got status LEDs and I think power button and USB. The side is very simple and easy, nice to look at. And at the back is two Ethernets and the power. Oh, and also another USB and a SATA connector. Okay, so this is what you get in the box. So just for clarification, these two M2 SSDs do not come originally with the package. They were sent separately to me just to test the caching of this device. Alright, so that about sums up my little unboxing video of this Synology NAS. It's the DS918 Plus. And yeah, I'll be doing a little mini series of this, so stay tuned for my next video where I'll be setting this up, installing my hard drives. I've got 5 3TB WD red drives to put in this beauty, and we'll just see how it goes. So definitely let me know what you think. Again, huge shout out to Synology for sending this out to me for 4 weeks to test. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more, and thank you for watching.